is a Korean political action thriller that imagines a high-stakes crisis on the Korean peninsula. The story follows Eom Chol-woo, a North Korean agent who defects to the south with an injured North Korean leader after a failed coup. Teaming up with a South Korean intelligence official, they must work together to prevent an all-out nuclear war between the two Koreas. The film combines intense action with geopolitical tension, exploring themes of loyalty, diplomacy, and peace.